What we'll be using for this treatment is aloe vera, and here I'm making use of my fresh aloe vera for this. I'll recommend you use the fresh aloe vera for this instead of the store-bought aloe vera, because this is still very natural and organic, and it works better than the store-bought aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has been used for a long time in skincare. That is because of the numerous benefits that aloe vera has on our skin. It also has a lot of benefits on our hair and health as well, but we are going to be concentrating on the skin and how aloe vera can help you tighten up your face and help get rid of wrinkles. Aloe vera here helps in naturally increasing the production of collagen in the body. This collagen helps to reduce visible signs of aging, such as the fine lines and wrinkles that you see appearing on the face. Collagen helps to decrease wrinkles on the skin, and it also helps in tightening the skin as well. The tightening effect of this aloe vera on the skin helps to improve elasticity of the skin. And apart from boosting the collagen production in the skin, aloe vera here is a powerhouse of several components which helps to improve the skin condition. Aloe vera contains amino acid, it has vitamin B1, B3, B6, and it also contains vitamin C, which helps to fight off free radicals that causes wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So for this aloe vera, I'll just cut off this part first of all. Just gonna throw this away. And what I'll be needing for this will not be too much, so I'm just going to cut a little bit out of it. So this size that I'm showing you is okay for what we will be preparing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to extract my gel out of this, and I'm just going to cut off the sides. Sorry, my knife is very big. Okay, slice this out, and you can see the gel in it. So I'm going to be extracting this gel because that is what we'll be using for this treatment. So be careful when you are doing this so you don't cut your hand. An easier way to remove this aloe vera gel is simply using your spoon. The gel is all over my hand. Now take a look at what the gel looks like, and this is what we'll be using. So I'm going to get a blender cup, and I'll put the gel inside because I'm going to be blending this. The next ingredient I'll be using for this is orange, and orange here is very rich in vitamin C. We are making use of orange because of its antioxidant properties and the vitamin C that is contained in it. Vitamin C helps to brighten the skin almost instantly. It helps fade off hyperpigmentation, discoloration, or any dark patches that you may have on your face. Vitamin C has been used a lot in skincare, especially these days that you now have your vitamin C serum, which is an essential step in so many skincare regimens today. For the orange, I'm going to make use of both the orange peel and the juice of the orange. First of all, I'm going to peel the orange. and these are orange peel in the bowl. So this quantity of orange peel that I have is enough for our treatment. So I'm going to toss this in the blender cup as well, because I also need to blend this up. The next ingredient I'll be using is cucumber, and cucumber here is very good when it comes to soothing the skin. It hydrates the skin, it firms the skin, and also plumps the skin. So if you're having dryness, wrinkles and fine lines, cucumber here is going to help plump it up, hydrate it, and when the skin is hydrated, it becomes firm and plump. So that's why we're going to be making use of cucumber for this, and also for the soothing properties of it. For the cucumber, I'm just going to use a little piece out of it. Just this one here is enough, this one, and I won't be peeling this. I'm just going to toss this into my blender as well, and then I'll go ahead and blend. I'm not adding any water for this. There is no need of you to add water to this. Just go ahead and blend it the way it is. After blending, just take a look at this. We have a very nice and smooth consistency. So I'm just going to turn this into a bowl. I'll set this aside. The next ingredient we'll be using for this is egg, and yes, egg here is very good for its skin tightening properties. That's the egg white, because we are going to be making use of the egg white here. Egg white helps to tighten the face, it helps to smoothen out fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps to plump the skin. So that's why we're going to be using egg here. So to separate the egg white from the yolk, I'm going to crack this up. So just turn it and the egg white will fall into the bowl. Separating the egg white from the yolk is really easy. So this is all what you have to do. And I'm going to keep this egg yolk aside. Now this is our egg white and this is our treatment. So I'm not going to be making use of all the egg white in this. So I'm going to scoop out 2 teaspoons of egg white into this bowl. This is really falling out. And that is it. After adding the egg white, I'll just go ahead and stir this all up very well. I'm not beating the egg, I'm just stirring it like this. I don't want to beat the egg white because I don't want it to become fluffy. If it becomes fluffy, then we are not going to get as much benefit as we are supposed to get without beating the egg. So I'm just going to stir it up like this till the egg white and the treatment is well mixed. Okay, I'll know that my treatment is well mixed when I don't have any lump of egg white in it anymore. After mixing, the next thing I'll be adding is the orange juice, and this is actually the last ingredient. For the orange juice, I'm going to squeeze out 1 teaspoon into the treatment. This is also going to help mask the smell of the egg, as well as provide us with its benefits. So that is 1 teaspoon, and then I'll go ahead and mix it up properly. So now let me show you how you are going to apply this treatment on your face. Hi, so this is the treatment I just finished preparing in my hand, and I'm going to apply this using a flat brush. If you don't have a brush to use, then you can go ahead and make use of your fingers, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my face. So just go ahead and apply this all over your face, like what I'm showing you now.
Mr. Sass.
This is a watery treatment, so it's going to spill on you. So you can do this in your bathroom to avoid having all the mess around. So you can also apply this on your neck as well and under your chin to help tighten it up. After applying it all over my face, I'll go ahead and sit for it to dry. So I'll be sitting for about 30 minutes for it to dry, after which I'll come back and show you. After waiting for it to dry, my face is now very tight, like it's very tight. I can feel it tightening my face because of all the natural skin tightening ingredients I used. So that is what you should be feeling. You should feel your face tighten up. So if you don't feel your face tightening, then that means you didn't do this treatment well. So you can see everywhere is so tight, like everywhere is so tight. So what I'm going to do next is to get a wet cloth like this. This is a wet towel. So I'm just going to use it on my face. I'm going to use it to clean off this treatment. Wash this off, but I choose to use a towel to clean this off. And you can see as I'm cleaning, I'm not cleaning in a downward manner, so I'm cleaning it in an upward motion like this because I don't want it to make the skin to sag the more, so have to take it up. You don't take it down. If you take it down, you are dragging your skin down, which causes sagging. So the wrinkles and fine lines. So I'm just taking it up my forehead, take it to the side, and then this other side. I'm just going to dip the cloth in water again, and I will clean a second time. You can see how my skin is looking. Can you see? Then after wiping that off, I'm going to go in with rose water. Rose water is very good for the skin because it helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to moisturize the skin, it heals cuts, scars and burns. It also helps to reduce skin irritation, it suits redness on the skin. It's very good and it has anti-aging properties. So that's why I'm going to be using rose water here, and I'll just be spraying this all over my face. Wow, this smells so good and it's very hydrating. So I'm going to leave this for it to sit on my skin, and yes, that is the end of our skin treatment, okay, to get rid of wrinkles very fast on the face. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I do really need the thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe, if you will be trying it, and or if you've tried it out already. Also, don't forget to follow me on my vlog channel where I make videos with my husband. I'm sure you are going to love that as well. Follow me on my socials. The link is on the screen and in the description box. And until next time, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.